today we're going to be playing Be a Monkey, I think. I'm not sure, yeah. Well, this game is basically about be a monkey, and a monkey is, well, a monkey gets a bomb. What is these pop-ups? Oh, it's in relation right now. And then you need to make sure you pass it in time, and if not, then you die. So, yeah, okay, so I already muted the music because it was copyright, obviously. So, yeah. I'm gonna stay up here. So that guy right there, as you guys can see, has the bomb. I don't like this guy. Oh wait, is it? No. Okay, yes, 10 seconds to pass it. Right there. Oh, he's going after somebody. Okay, he passed it. Okay, he passed it again. Okay, yes, 1 second. Okay, and he died. Don't let it. Oh! I literally was about to say, don't let it be me. Okay, this game's actually, whoo-hoo. This game is, oh my god. You need to be careful. Yeah, that monkey is dead, hopefully, yes. Yeah, I'm gonna go because this guy could have the bomb. Okay. Oh, the bomb guy is right there. Oh, alright, I'll pass it. Pass it to me. No. No! Oh my god. Okay, that's fine. I'll get this off of my screen. Okay, oh, you can enter again. Oh. So it's just unlimited. Okay. It's fun. Where is he? Oh, he's right there. Who attacked someone? Wow. Stay away from me. You stay away from me. Hey, he's coming kind of close. Should I like run for it? I'm not sure. Okay, okay. He died. Someone else has the bomb. Oh god, oh god. Bro, they are so annoying. Those little green things. Yes. Okay, he has the bomb right there. He just didn't pass. Oh no. Oh, sorry, bro. Okay, I never got the bomb on me. Where is the bomb? You stay away. It's right there. It's right there. You guys saw that? You guys already saw that, right? Yeah, you guys saw that. You guys already saw that. Oh. Oh my god, the bomb's right there. Oh! I literally don't want to get killed. I literally don't. Okay. I need to survive. I need to win this. I literally do. Oh, the guy's right there. Holy shit, what am I doing? I'm really cussing because this is literally stressful. Oh, wait, what the hell? Wait, guys, I'm not playing remote. Wait, what the hell just happened? Yo! Guys, I'm gonna explain. I'll be back in a few. Alright, I'm back. Oh no. There's a problem with the internet. And it's probably because... What's this? Did I survive? No. Oh, I survived! Let's go! I did not skip, I swear. Okay, let's do this map, I guess. Oh, let me drink. Oh, bro, that was stressful. Okay. I don't think it's me, no. It's not me. It's pretty good. Oh no. Okay, let me stay away from him. Okay, it's not coming after me yet. What do you guys think of my banana skills? Did I just say banana skills? What the hell? What the hell? I said banana skills. Hello. No, he's just... Yeah, I don't know where he is. Oh, he's right there. It's the guy in red. Okay, so I think I'm pretty good hiding. Attack someone. Oh my god. Yes! Oh my god! I literally got away just in time. Holy, okay, wow. That is lucky. You guys can see my screen, okay. That's good. Okay, it's right there. I gotta make sure I keep looking at him. Okay. I got the bomb! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. I'm gonna die. I'm really gonna die. How did I not? Yeah, I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm gonna die. Yeah, bro, it's... Okay, I can't have an explanation for that. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fire, though. But, like, bro, come on. Why do I get the bomb? Okay. Under there's like, yeah, it's so hard to give the bomb. Like, it's not that I don't understand. Alright, he is close to me. Whoa, that was insane. Wow. Oh, 20 seconds left? Oh. Okay, I don't think he sees me. Ooh, stupid! I'm about to die because of you. Wow, okay, he just died. Is that the guy who has the bomb? No. You're safe up here. Oh my god, what am I doing? I'm still like right here because if this guy gets the bomb, I'll like tag him. He's just standing still. Oh, okay, we just survived. Okay. Pretty nice that we survived. This is a pretty fun game, but it's pretty stressful if you ask me. Alright. I better not start with it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. What's up, guys? Oh, what's up, yo? That's because they're already looking at me. Someone who's got it. Someone who's got it. Okay, I don't want to die here. I need to at least have one survival before I end the video. Oh, he has the bomb. Wow. What a luck. Okay. Yeah, it's just standing still. So we're not gonna get far. Oh. Because Aiden has the bomb. Let's see if we're gonna get far at all. So bro, you doing today? Hope your day is going good. Okay, he's right there. He has a bomb. Okay, let me just stay away from him. And top off. Trying to see if like they're chasing me. I hit that. What the hell are you slaying? Oh god. Oh, he's AFK. Compete on Granny. Oh my god, no way. You have got to be kidding me. What is this thing? I literally need to have someone. Come on, no. Come on. I'm gonna die here. Yep. Rest in peace. Yeah. This is so hard. This is actually so hard. Like who like you can't give passes in life. There's just so many people. Unless someone's AFK, then you really have good luck. You know what I mean? Okay, I don't have it. Oh, this guy's after me. Whoo! I literally got away from this man. Where's this banana? And we're out. Yes, sir. Alright. Got the banana. I mean, with the bomb. Just, yeah. Alright, that is going to be it for today. I said I know that I have to have the bomb. I mean I have to survive. But that is going to be it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and check this game out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.